दक्षिण गोयचे चंद्रपूर आता चांदर कदम राजवटीची पहिली राजधानी। कदम राजवटीचो इतिहास आनी दायज दाखोवपी कितल्योश्योच गजाली थंय अजूनय ते राजवटीच्यो साक्षीदार आसात। मात ह्या दायजाकडेन सरकाराचें सध्या दुर्लक्ष जालां। सरकारान हे 11व्या शतकांतले कदम राजवटीचे दायज सांबाळूंक यत्न करचे म्हूण गांवचो लोक इतिहास अभ्यासक मागतात।
Chandor was known as Chandrapur in ancient times, and it was the first capital of Goa. And this first capital of Goa has a lot of history, and it has lot of heritage sites here of the ancient times, medieval times, and Portuguese era. So this entire period I covered. We have the first fort of Goa. First fort of Goa is located in Chandor, and unfortunately that fort is in a very dilapidated condition. So I appeal to the ASI and the State Archaeology Department, please notify that fort, because I am not saying that physically the fort as such exists, but the wall exists, so that has to be preserved. So through this channel I am trying to appeal to the ASI as well as State Archaeology and to the people of Chandor that fort has to be notified, or at least put a signage saying that it is the first fort of Goa. Then there is that Konkani area. Then there is the Nandi. There was a temple of the Kadamba era there. Then there are a lot of things of the Kadamba period, of Bhoj period. Then you have the churches of the Portuguese period. The Menezes Braganza mansion where T.B. Kunna was born. So the heritage houses of Chandor, Sara Fernandez's house with underground tunnel. So Chandor has a lot of history which goes back right from Bhoj, Kadambas. You have Vijayanagar, Bahamani, Adil Shah, Portuguese, and after liberation. After liberation, of course, Chandor was a very quiet village. So I have appealed to the people of Chandor that the government may not protect the heritage of Chandor, but the people should protect it. They should put up a signage at all the historical spots, and they have to prepare it.
गांवांत कोणाक कितें खबर आसा तांणी तरी निदान एक हिस्टॉरिकल मॉन्युमेंट्स आसा तांचे उल्लेख करचो, तांची नोंद घेवची आनी ते लोकांक कळोवन दिवचे। आमी आतां गांवबाळांचो एकवटान गेले 2 वर्सां फाटीं 2 विलेज वॉक केल्ले, लोकांक आमी खूब हिस्टॉरिकल प्लेसीस दाखयल्ले आनी चडशे लोक अजाप जाल्ले कित्याक तांकांच खबर नाशिल्ली कितें ते पळयताले तें आसा म्हणून, पूण तांकां तें म्हत्व कितें तें सांगलें तशें तांकां कळ्ळें तें। आतां चांद्रांत एक फातर आसा बापसरा म्हणटा थंय, आतां कितलीं वर्सां पयलीं तो कोणाक खबर ना। दॅट स्टोन इज एक्चुअली अ सन डायल, ताजेर टायम कितलो जालो तो कळटा। इट्स अ नॅचरल सन डायल। इतली एडवान्स टेक्नॉलॉजी तेन्ना आशिल्ली, पूण हें आमकां पडून गेलें ना। आतां तूं चांद्रांक कोणा कडेन भुरग्यां कडेन विचारलें तें बापसरा खंय आसा, वेर इज अ सन डायल, तांकां कांयच खबर आसचें ना। So there is urgent need to identify these places and promote it among the villages.
फातोर्डेच्या डॉन बॉस्को रेटेरीन रायझिंग कप इंटर विलेज फुटबॉल सर्त जिखली। पैतोमड्डाचे सांताक्रूज सोसायटीन सावरकट्यावेल्यान रायझिंग क्लबाक बरोबर घेवन सर्त दवरिल्ली। फायनल कुंकळेक सरकारी हायस्कूल ग्राउंडार जाली। फायनलीत डॉन बॉस्कोन आंबेली स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाक पेनल्टीचेर 4-8-3 गोलांनी मारले।
The finals are being played between Don Bosco Torda and Ambeli Sports Club Ambeli. like to thank
हे बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.